Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A16S and let me show you how to change wallpaper here. At first, open the settings, then find and select personalizations right here and go to wallpapers. And now we can smoothly change wallpaper, so we can pick one from default wallpapers here. You can preview it smoothly by tapping, or you can choose one from your own pictures or some downloaded files. Just open albums, then pick the one that you want to apply wallpaper from. In my case, it's a screenshot of a Grinch movie. Let me do it, for example, this way. And then click on apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only or both screens, home and lock. This is what I would like to pick. And also, let's just wait a couple of seconds. And also, you can apply it as scrollable option. Just mark scroll with home screen. Now tap on apply. As from now on, this wallpaper would be scrollable, so as you can see, you will be able to see the whole picture by going through your pages here. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.